I am Samreen Akhtar. You are watching South Asia Global. Let's have a look on headlines. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif announced the construction of Danish University with £190 million from the United Kingdom. PP Chairman Bilawal Bhutto Zardari says that the formula of the post of Prime Minister for a half term has always been rejected. A meeting was held under the chairmanship of Punjab Local Government Minister Zishan Rafiq regarding the implementation of the Ramadan Nigeban package and the Clean Punjab program. Arrests are being made for the speeding over 150 km on the motorway. According to a motorway police spokesperson, action has been taken against 20 vehicles in the central region so far. The speeding limit on the 3-lane motorway is 250 km and for public vehicle it is 110 km. Then spokesperson says that the aim of the FIR and arrest is to prevent accident. Prime Minister Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif has taken strict notice of the closure of the Karakum Highway due to landslides at the Chilas. The Prime Minister directed to the National Highway Authority to immediately take an emergency measures to restore the road and expedite the work of the removing obstacles. Measles has spread rapidly in Karachi, causes dozens of children to be admitted to various hospitals in the city. Dr. Irfan Ward, in charge of the Sindh Infection Disease Hospital, said that the 17 measles patients are under treatment in the hospital, 8 of whom are children under the age of 1 year. Sindh Governor Kamran Sisori has said that despite not having powers, so much work is being done. If there were powers, there would be a lot of Qalandar. South Punjab accounts for 70% of Punjab agriculture, but water security and changing weather conditions have severely affected agriculture production. The first meeting of the committee established on the instruction of Prime Minister Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif to increase cotton production was held under the chairmanship of the Federal Minister Rana Tanveer Hussain, which was attended by the concerned officials. The Federal Minister expressed concern over the decline in cotton production and stressed to the need to find immediate solution for cotton production. Defence Minister Khwaja Mohammad Asif, speak to the media outside the Parliament House, said that the PTI is an allied group of terrorists. We have made great sacrifices in the war against terrorism. Operations of security forces are going. 21 days left for the evacuation of illegal foreign and Afghan citizen card holders. The government of Pakistan had decided to send back illegal foreign and Afghan citizen card holders. Illegal residents and Afghan citizen card holders have been given a deadline to leave Pakistan. A passenger bus has crashed in southern Mexico, according to the local authorities. 18 people were killed and dozens injured in the tragic accident. Interpol has taken former Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte into custody. Rodrigo Duterte's arrest warrant was issued by the International Criminal Court of charges of crimes against humanity. Pakistan could be placed in the orange category. Pakistan would not face a complete travel ban but could face stricter scrutiny when applying for visa. According to the reports, restrictions could be imposed on certain types of visa for Pakistan citizens. And New Zealand has announced its T20 squad for the scheduled series against Pakistan. The New Zealand Cricket Board has made several changes to the Kiwi team for the T20 series against Pakistan. Stay tuned with South Asia Global. For more updates, you can visit our website sag.tv.